Hi guys, Nykaa's Pink Friday sale is live and it's the best time for you to splurge your money on beauty products because they have some crazy discounts. I'll share the link of my Nykaa store page. You will see all my recommendations on one page and then you can go ahead and shop. Starting with hair care, I have a lot of recommendations. Kerastase was recently launched on Nykaa and oh my god, I swear by these shampoos. This is my fourth bottle and if you love the squeaky clean feeling of your scalp, this is the best shampoo to go for. It does not dry out the ends but cleans the scalp pretty well. I have tried tons of shampoos but I keep coming back to this. I have tried some other variants as well. This one will not give you that squeaky clean feeling, but this will definitely wash your hair without over drying the scalp. It's a milder version, I would say. This shampoo is good for nourishment. I have to wash my hair every alternate day, and in between my squeaky clean hair wash routine, I would use this one or the Forest Essentials one, which is mild. When the hair is not that greasy, I need just to amp it up a bit in between the washes, then I would use either this or the Forest Essentials one. These are milder versions. Talking about the conditioner, this is Aveda Cherry Almond. This smells incredible and your hair will be soft and manageable after using this. If you're looking for a budget-friendly hair mask, this is the one to go for. This is the Dove 10-in-1 Deep Repair Treatment. This does control frizz to some extent. Don't expect miracles. The frizz won't go away completely if you're in a hot and humid weather. The frizz just won't disappear, but it will make your hair manageable for sure. I love it and it works in just 5 minutes. And then comes the serum. This is the only serum that I use and this is definitely all in one. It provides heat protection, controls frizz, and also adds shine to the hair. So yeah, definitely one of my favorites. Let's move to body care. I have very dry skin, so in winters I prefer body butters more. Looking for a brand which had clean ingredients, and as usual Forest Essentials came to the rescue. This is the vitamin E variant and trust me when I say this, it smells incredible. It smells amazing and smell lasts for a long time. The only issue that I have with them is earlier they would give 200 grams for the same price, I believe, and now they have reduced the quantity to 100 grams. That is my only problem because it gets over pretty soon. This is my 4th or 5th tub. Provided that it's a body butter, they should give more quantity, I feel, but it's the best body butter that I have tried. If you're looking for a brand which has clean ingredients and also provides extreme nourishment, like literally the body feels velvety soft and smooth after applying this, and it smells incredible. Like, you have to try it out. Body lotion, I'm still on a hunt for nourishing body lotion. I love the Nivea Coco Nourish, but the ingredients are not very clean and safe, so I would not recommend that. For body scrub, I love the Forest Essentials Rose Body Scrub. I have talked about it millions of times. I wish they came in a tube packaging so that it would be less messier. Otherwise, the scrub is good to go. If you're looking for a budget option, Earth Rhythm body scrub is also good enough. If you are traveling, it's your savior because you don't have to carry a body wash and body exfoliator separately. It's just the body scrub and you're good to go. For face wash, I have discovered this face wash from the Face Shop. This is the rice water variant. I love the Forest Essential face wash. I use this one daily. It's very gentle, so there are days when I want my face to be, squeaky clean, then I use this. Talking about face mask, I love the Forest Essentials face masks. I have all 3 variants: neem, sandalwood and turmeric. All are for different options. When I get a bit of those zits and all, I use the neem one, or else I use the sandalwood one or turmeric for brightening. The Tejaswi balm is also my favorite. I use it once or twice a month. It's amazing for winters, gives extreme nourishment and hydration. For a sunscreen stick, then this is what you should go for. This is the Earth Rhythm Aqua Surge SPF 60. When I'm going on a beach vacation and I do not like to pour the sunscreen out of the bottle, I use this one. It's a beautiful stick. You can just directly swipe it on your skin and you're good to go. That's pretty much it from my side. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll share my store page link so that you can find all of these products in one place and directly add it to your cart. Thank you so much for watching.